Hello, this is my trading journal for August 7th, 2013, and I'll show you what I did last night. Uh, Started looking in the markets like right around this time, and I saw this entry right here coming off this top trend line. Here's where I make a lot of mistakes. I like to use limit orders more than I should, and basically when you use a limit order, you run the risk of either getting trapped the long way or missing out on the trade. So the outcome is usually not that good. You can get in for a little bit of, a little tiny bit of a better price, but I'm thinking it's not worth it anymore because I always use these limit orders to try to sneak in a little bit to minimize the risk, and so it'll allow me to get out of the trade sooner as well. But it also, I miss a lot of good trades, and this is one of them. Basically, we came up here and touched that top of the trend line, made a, basically second entry, or you could call it 3 pushes up, or whatever. It looked good. It was up the trend line. As soon as it broke a little bit below, I just threw a limit order on the low. I wasn't even trying to be too crazy by putting it too high, and the market just rushed in my direction. Never thought once about coming back to fill me. So I missed that great trade, and I just waited, came back here, and I entered right here with this trade. This trade was weird because I set my first target to take half off right here, and the market actually did go 2 pips below my target and didn't fill me. The spread on the Japanese yen with TradeStation has usually been about between 1.8 and 1.6. See, I'm looking at it right now. It's 1.7. So I don't know what's going on. It should have been filled. It wasn't. Anyway, I didn't reverse here. I didn't do anything. I thought maybe I'd have to come back and test, and it just took me out quick. So it was kind of disappointing. But I had this measured move target drawn in down here, and it came down and filled that measured move target and reversed. But I thought maybe we could keep going down. We had a decent trend in the morning. We ended up continuing this the downtrend later on, but we made this bull channel first. By this time, I started looking at the euro, and I got chopped up in the euro as well. The euro basically had this huge move up right here, lots of strength, and we sold off really quick, and then we started to find some support down where that previous this breakout point was. This support, it acted as support again, and basically made a trend line coming off here, and came up, pulled back, second entry along. I took it right here, set my target down here, 1.5 pips below the signal bar, and came back and almost stopped me out. Came with like 1 fractional pip of stopping me out, and then came up, and I took half off at 1 times risk. I thought this one was strong, so I thought I could at least get 1 time risk on the trade. As far as my first target's concerned, and my second target, I thought we could get another leg up like this, so I set my second target up here, and I just thought, I'd take half off right here and just swing it and just let it go, and looked like it was working for me and broke that trend line that I had, and by this time I basically decided to raise my stop just a little bit, just to ensure that I won't lose anything. But I didn't bring it up to break even. I just maybe I should have put it to break even, but I really wanted to make this thing swing and to see if I can capture another big move. I'm still trying to get those bigger trades. I know I can do it, but just need to continue taking the risks and eventually, catch a few, make up for all these whipsaws. So anyway, came back down and stopped me out right there. At a tiny profit, and then it reversed again, and basically it looked like maybe that wasn't the channel, maybe that wasn't the trend line, maybe this is. I drew it coming off this low, came back, tested it, came back up, made a two-leg pullback to the moving average, and a test of that line. I think I had it more like, yeah, like that. Perfect test of that trend line, and I thought we would get a rush off, but instead it was a trap, and trapped me out. Basically, we were in a trading range and had to come back down and test the bottom of the range before coming up and reversing. I set my targets up on this one based on we've been in a channel on the 60-minute chart, bull channel, and I thought we'd come up and test the top of the channel. Plus, I figured maybe leg 1 equaled leg 2 move. That's why I set my target up here, but eventually the market came back up to get it. Probably went up 2 pips higher than that target. But by this time I was getting really tired. I was already up all night trading, and I just called it quits for the night and went to sleep. That's all I did today. I don't know. Trading's really difficult. You get in this mode where you think the market's going to screw you every time you get into a trade, and you feel like every trade is doomed to fail. Like, for example, this trade right here, really, I don't know, came with one fractional pip. I mean, it broke below the low of this right here, and I was almost certain that it was going to stop me, but it didn't. In reverse, got my first target, which is good, and then came back. When I entered this one too, I mean, I kind of felt doomed from the beginning on this trade. It went up, broke below, then it came back up, and that was, that looked good, but then it just quickly reversed and took me out. So I don't know. I guess I just need to keep trading and try to catch those bigger moves to make up for these smaller losses. Got a decent move yesterday, but I know I can do better. I've only been taking 2 or 3 trades a day. I like to try to find more entries though, because if I'm gonna verify that my trading strategy works, with the real money, I need a larger sample size, and I'm not doing it right now. Basically, 3 trades a day. It's going to take a long time for me to actually verify with actual real numbers that if I'm consistently profitable or not. So at this moment, I don't know. Since I started the trading Forex, I'm still in the positive. I'm still making money, but due to the size, it's really small. But I don't care. I'm not concerned with that. I just want to verify that my strategy is actually profitable, so I can wholeheartedly believe in it, so I can continue to increase my size and start to make money. So anyway, that's all I did so far. I'll check back tomorrow after I trade tonight. So thanks for watching.